You will never touch serious wealth with the identity you have right now. It's time to build a new one, and here's how you're going to do it. The first thing you're going to change is your thinking, because you think too small, and here's why. Number one, your environment is trash. You're surrounded by people who think that getting a stable job is a win. You've never actually been around someone who's actually built something massive. So your reference point is microscopic. If you lived around killers, you'd think bigger by accident. Number two, you mistake mission for vision. You say you want to be the best, but your actions just scream, I want convenience. Vision isn't what you tell others. Vision is what you execute daily. Yours doesn't show up in your behavior. Number three, you fear responsibility. Thinking big forces you to admit that you're capable of way more than what you're currently producing, which is uncomfortable. So you shrink your goals to protect your ego. Small thinkers protect their feelings. Big thinkers protect their standards. Number four, you haven't suffered enough. You think small because nothing has forced you to evolve yet. People who lose everything start thinking bigger instantly because survival strips delusion. You're still cushioned. Number five, you overvalue approval. You subconsciously want people to like you, so you think reasonably. But big goals make people uncomfortable. Small thinking keeps you accepted. You trade greatness for validation. You've been doing the bare minimum in your hustle, thinking that you're doing the most, while you're not. And your results tells you that. You're avoiding real pressure by doing low-impact tasks. Small thinkers stay busy, while big thinkers build. You haven't built any proof yet. Your brain doesn't trust you, so you don't follow through. You break promises to yourself. So your mind limits your ambition because it knows you can't handle it. Small thinking is a result of low self-trust. Number eight, your goals are fantasies, not commitments. You want a billionaire lifestyle with minimal wage effort, and your brain knows the math doesn't match up. So it scales your thinking down to protect you from embarrassment. Number nine, you haven't built your identity yet. You still think like someone who's trying to earn from their side hustle, instead of someone who's trying to build systems for the side hustle. Identity creates thinking. Thinking creates behavior. Behavior creates results. Your identity is lagging behind your mind. Lastly, you haven't been forced to think strategically. You've been thinking like an average wannabe hustler, not a successful person. You want success without becoming the person who earns it. Small thinkers want shortcuts. Big thinkers build systems. Small thinking suffocates your potential, limiting your growth. This is how trillionaires would approach your situation. Trillionaires don't care about results. They care about systems. Your mindset right now is, I have this side hustle. How am I going to maximize my growth and earn from it? Trillionaires think your results are trash because your system is trash. Fix the system and let the numbers fix themselves. If you put in 1 hour a day, every day, 365 days, without missing a single day, you'll be doing 99% more than your hustle right now. A trillionaire doesn't question slow results. They question slow behavior. Trillionaires remove emotion from feedback. Your mindset right now is, my growth is small, I feel discouraged. A trillionaire mindset would be, you don't have a data problem, you have an emotional attachment to weak output. Trillionaires treat growth like engineering. Test, measure, adjust, scale. If they implement a strategy, they would dissect each point from the strategy, adjust it and reload it immediately. Trillionaires play long-term games. You think you're experienced in this game because you've been at it for 2 to 5 years or a couple of months. Trillionaires would scoff at that. Trillionaires have been in it 10 years prior to 20 years prior. This game takes time, and trillionaires play the long-term game. Trillionaires upgrade their identity. They don't think I need to first have $1 trillion before acting like a trillionaire. They understand that the identity comes first before the title. You need to first act like a trillionaire before becoming a trillionaire. Trillionaires build leverage, not hustles. And right now, you're hustling. Think of your hustle as a brand, as a business you need to take care of. Your brand identity is leverage. The future hustle systems becomes leverage. One trade, one sale, one order can work for you for 2 years. One contract that blows up can make you billions of dollars. Trillionaires look for moves where effort doesn't equal outcome. Trillionaires don't compete, they create. Don't try to be the best in an overpopulated, crowded industry. Trillionaires create industries where they are the only ones. Instead of trying to be the best business in your niche, create your own niche where your business is the only business in that niche. Because now you're not just another business owner, you're now the business owner. Nobody else has that. Now you're on your own lane. Trillionaires think they are the problems. They take accountability. They don't point fingers. They don't blame it on the algorithm. They don't blame it on their setbacks, on their outcomes, or any of that. You are the bottleneck. Once you accept that, the growth begins. If your hustle isn't working, a trillionaire doesn't say the algorithm hates me. They say my strategy is trash. My approach is trash. My methods are trash. Which is brutal, but true. Fix it. Trillionaires would use your current situation as fuel. You are at rock bottom. Low numbers, low traction, low consistency. A trillionaire would see that as an opportunity because there is zero pressure, zero expectation, zero risks, total freedom to experiment. They would go on a ruthless testing spree. An example would be you getting 10 leads a day for your business with 5 different approaches every week. Trying different methods, different approaches, getting different results, documenting everything in the process. A trillionaire would turn your stagnation into a laboratory. Trillionaires know the world owes them nothing. Just because you've been at it for a couple of months, years, doesn't mean the world owes you any results. Your current mindset secretly expects success because you've been at it for a couple of months or a couple of years. Trillionaires find that pathetic. A trillionaire mindset is, I deserve nothing, I earn everything, I engineer results. With that said, if you found this video useful and you want more useful videos like these, comment the Trillionaire Blueprint Pyramid and I'll post a video on broke habits that keep side hustlers stuck. With that said, I'm out.